understand what you're riding through.
I'm not going.
If you don't feel confident, you walk your bike and you get wet. Nothing is worse than a watered out bike. You're on the pads and you're committed. If you feel as though you can't accomplish that, just get off and walk your bike. Through is through, right? Make sense?
No, it doesn't.
Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the right side?
It?
The right side?
Yeah.
Sick, man.
How good did that feel? Well done. Well done.
Sick, man.
How good did that feel? Well done. Well done.
Shit.
All right, let's leave him some space.
I'm
Let's
a
get
little
up
bit,
there.
I'm a
out of
little
the way
bit
there,
crazy
guys.
sometimes.